Meet Dave Ramsey, the personal finance expert who's been helping millions of people get out of debt and build wealth. But what many people don't know is that Dave Ramsey was once on the brink of financial disaster. At just 28 years old, he filed for bankruptcy with over $2.5 million in debts. Yes, you read that right, $2.5 million. He had it all, the house, the cars, the fancy suits, but none of it mattered because he was deeply in debt. But what's even more shocking is that Dave Ramsey didn't just recover from bankruptcy, he went on to become one of the most successful financial advisors in the world. He built a media empire with books, podcasts, and a popular radio show. But here's the thing, Dave Ramsey didn't build his wealth through get-rich-quick schemes or luck. He did it by following a simple yet effective formula that I'm about to share with you. You see, most people try to make money in stocks or other investments, but they often end up losing it all because they don't have the right strategy. They might make some quick gains here and there, but ultimately, they're playing a game of chance rather than building real wealth. And that's why I'm going to show you how to do things differently. You see, making $1 million by age 40 may sound like a pipe dream, but it's not just possible, it's guaranteed. But here's the catch, it requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It also means being willing to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom. So, are you ready to learn how to build real wealth? Are you ready to join the ranks of Dave Ramsey and other successful entrepreneurs who've cracked the code on making money? As we explore this topic together, I'll share with you my own story of how I built wealth in my early 30s using a combination of smart investing, real estate, and some unconventional strategies that I learned from my mentors. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of exactly how to make $1 million by age 40, guaranteed. Now, let's get started on this journey together. Let's show you that making money isn't just about luck or being born into privilege. It's about following a proven formula and taking deliberate action towards your goals. Dave Ramsey's journey to becoming one of the most successful financial advisors in the world is a testament that making $1 million by age 40 is not just a pipe dream. At 28, Dave was bankrupt, with over $2.5 million in debt and no clear path forward. But he didn't let his circumstances define him, instead, he took control of his finances and started building wealth from scratch. Dave's turnaround story began when he started giving financial advice to friends and family for free. He soon realized that helping others manage their finances wasn't just a hobby, but a potential business opportunity. In 1992, Dave launched the Total Money Makeover, a program designed to help people get out of debt and build wealth. The program was an instant success, with thousands of people signing up within the first few months. But what's even more impressive is that Dave didn't stop there. He went on to write several best-selling books, including The Total Money Makeover and Dave Ramsey's Complete Guide to Money. He also started a radio show, where he shared his expertise with millions of listeners. Fast forward to today, and it's estimated that Dave has helped over 5 million people get out of debt and build wealth. His company, the Lampo Group, generates over $300 million in revenue each year. And as for his personal net worth, it's reportedly around $500 million. Now, I know what you're thinking, how did he do it? Dave's success wasn't just based on luck or good timing. He worked tirelessly to educate himself and others about the importance of financial literacy. He also made smart investment decisions, including investing in real estate and stocks. And he didn't stop there, he also started his own companies and invested in new ventures. But here's the thing, Dave Ramsey's success story isn't just about him. It's a reminder that anyone can make $1 million by age 40 if they're willing to put in the work. Dave Ramsey's transformation from financial disaster to millionaire is a testament to the power of disciplined investing and real estate wealth building. At age 28, he was bankrupt with over $2 million in debt, but he turned his life around by creating a plan to pay off debt aggressively and invest in assets that would appreciate over time. Ramsey's investment strategy focused on tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as the IRA and Roth IRA, where he invested heavily in stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and other dividend-paying securities. He also leveraged his knowledge of real estate to purchase undervalued properties at auction, which he then rehabbed and flipped for profit. One notable example is Ramsey's own experience with a foreclosed property he purchased for $12,000 in 1995. After renovating it, he sold the house for $60,000, netting a profit of $48,000 on a single transaction. This kind of return on investment not only helped him pay off his debt but also set him up for long-term wealth creation. Studies have shown that real estate investing can be an effective way to build wealth, particularly when combined with smart stock market investments. According to a study by the National Association of Realtors, NR, between 2010 and 2020, single-family rental properties appreciated at an average annual rate of 4.2%, while stocks returned around 8 to 10% per annum. While no one can predict the future with certainty, Ramsey's story, and the data on real estate investing demonstrate that it is possible to build significant wealth by age 40 through a combination of smart investments in both stocks and real estate. As we delve deeper into the world of high-yield investments, it's essential to examine the real-world implications of making $1 million by age 40. To achieve such a milestone, one would need to consistently generate returns that far surpass those offered by traditional stocks and bonds. Consider the story of Dave Ramsey, who built his fortune through a combination of savvy business decisions and strategic investments in real estate. At just 28 years old, he was declared bankrupt, but he refused to give up. Instead, he used this setback as an opportunity to reevaluate his financial strategy and make some critical adjustments. Fast forward to today, Dave Ramsey is one of the most respected voices in personal finance, with a net worth estimated to be over $400 million. His success story serves as a powerful reminder that it's not just about making smart investments, it's also about taking calculated risks and adapting to changing market conditions. To replicate this level of success, one would need to have an intimate understanding of the real estate market and its various nuances. This includes factors like property values, rental yields, and local economic trends. A mere 1% increase in annual returns can translate into hundreds of thousands of dollars over a decade, making it essential for investors to stay informed about market fluctuations. Moreover, Dave Ramsey's success is not just attributed to his business acumen but also to his ability to create value through real estate investments. He didn't just buy properties, he renovated and redeveloped them to increase their market value. This hands-on approach allowed him to create a passive income stream that continued to grow over time. While Dave Ramsey's story is inspiring, it's essential to recognize that replicating his success requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It's not just about following a set of formulas or investing in the next hot stock, it's about creating value through real-world investments that generate tangible returns. As we've discussed the importance of investing in real estate and creating multiple income streams, I want to share with you a crucial turning point in my own journey. It's a story about a man who went from being $2.2 million in debt at age 28 to becoming one of the most successful financial advisors in the world. His name is Dave Ramsey. Dave's bankruptcy was a wake-up call for him, but it also gave him the motivation to start over and rebuild his life. He began by creating a budget and paying off his debts aggressively. But what sets Dave apart from others who have been through similar situations is that he understood the power of wealth-building strategies. Unlike many who focus solely on stocks or other get-rich-quick schemes, Dave recognized the importance of real estate investing in building long-term wealth. He started by buying rental properties and gradually expanded his portfolio to include other types of real estate investments, such as notes and private lending. One key insight that Dave gained from his journey is that it's not just about accumulating money, it's also about creating a system for generating consistent cash flow. By diversifying his income streams through real estate investing, he was able to break free from the cycle of debt and start building true wealth. Now,